I'm a bad bitch, and you can't change that. Hello everyone. So today's video is going to be a boy to girl transformation. About a month ago, I put a 1-minute boy to girl transformation on my channel. It now has the most views out of all the videos on my channel. So I'm gonna make a longer one. So if you want to stick around and see how I transform myself from looking like, well, manly-ish to a woman, let's get right into this video. I'm gonna do my base off camera really quickly because it's just the same old, and if you wanna see how to do that, just watch my last video. Okay, I'm back and my base is now finished. But I have some bad news, guys. I have been diagnosed with perfect brows. I know. So luckily for me, I don't have to glue them down. I only have to fill them in a little bit. So I'm gonna do that off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, my brows are now done. So let's move on to the eyeshadow portion of this video. So this is the eyeshadow look I'm going for today. It's a little out there, it's cute though. I'm excited to do it. So for today's look, I will be using multiple palettes. I'll be using the Morphe 25L, the Anastasiabeverlyhills Soft Glam palette, the ColourPop Just My Luck palette, the Morphe Extreme Charles palette. Okay, so since this is not my original eye look, I'm not gonna be going into detail about what to do and how to actually recreate this look. More of a just watch and you'll see. Now it is time to cut that crease. I do not know what he used for that gold part, so I'm gonna mix a bunch of different golds together to get something like that. So I just took a little bit of eyelash glue and a little bit of chunky glitter, and I put that right there. Because in the picture there's gems. I do not have gems because I'm a broke hoe and that can't afford gems. That's it. And I still like the way it turned out, so we're gonna do it in the other eye. A nice old-fashioned big old wing liner to finish off the top. For liner, I'm gonna be using the Pretty Vulgar Ink Pot liner. I don't exactly know what it's called. Let me see. It is the Ink Black Gel Eyeliner. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, I'm gonna go do the other wing liner off camera real quick because that took way too much concentration. Now that the wing liner is somewhat even, let's move on to the lower lash line. Now I'm going to be taking a tiny little gem from this nail art set. Now I'm taking a little tiny green star gem and a little tiny dab of eyelash glue on the back. And I'm going to be gluing that to the inner corner. Some highlight along the brow bone. And this eye is now all complete. I'm going to go finish the other eye off camera, apply mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. The eyes are now all done. Let's hurry up and finish this face so we can put this wig on. You know, I'm gonna wear my tried and true Jeffree Star Supreme Frost in the shade Wet Dream. Okay, now time for lips. I'm feeling like a gloss today, so I'm gonna be using the Adesi New York High Definition Liquid. It says lipstick, but it's a gloss. Is mine gonna do that weird? That weird thing where you do this a bunch of times and you... Like that one girl on TikTok. Oh! I low-key think it's working. It's not working for me, so I'm just gonna put it on my lips. Smells like cinnamon cookies. Smells so good. I just want to eat it. A little bit of setting spray, and then it's wig time. Okay, here we go. Time to look really ugly before I look pretty. Wow, I look like an actual egg. So to glue on my wig, I use the Got2b Glued Blasting Free Spray, and I spray that and use that as the wig glue. I do one preliminary layer and then a second layer, and then I place the wig on. That's the first layer done. Now we're gonna let it dry a little bit, and then we're gonna spray on the second layer. I already pre-styled my wig. If y'all want to see a wig styling video, let me know in the comments down below. I might make one. Now I'm going to take this head wrap thing and apply it around the lace. Now I'm just gonna hold this for like 20 to 30 minutes and then she'll be glued on. Okay, no, I'm joking. I'm just gonna hold this for like, no, honestly, this is the look. You know what? We're going for like a 80s rock vibe with the headband and the hair and all. It looks good, don't it? That's pretty much it. And then I just finesse it until it's all stuck and all glued the way I want it to be. So once I get all that done, I'll be right back to show you all the finished look. The look is all complete. What do you guys think? It took way too long, but it was definitely worth it because you see how good I look? Honestly, I'm coming for your mans. I'm coming for your fiancés. I'm coming for your husbands. I'm coming for your daddies, your granddaddies. All the men in your life, you better protect them because I'm coming for them. This look turned out 10 times better than what I thought it was gonna turn out to be. I'm a bad bitch and you can't change that. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this before and after. I know I did. Leave it in the comments down below if you would like to see another one of these videos or if you would like to see a more in-depth boy to girl transformation. If you made it this far into the video, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell down below to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see y'all later. In the shade, dipping into the shade. Now it's time to cut that crease. Rock on. Back to the bone. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Back to the bone. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Am I gonna get copyrighted for that? Probably. I am a woman. Girl, bye.